Sheet Productions, Ephraim. Hit it.
Go like that.
Ephraim, I couldn't hear you loud enough, so your guitar was so loud. So, like, what was the words of that song? Tell me. What girl was that?
I gotta remember now. It is what girl? Every girl.
Come sit down.
Okay.
It's Every Girl?
All the songs are about every girl.
So who inspires you, Ephraim?
My mom.
Really?
Yeah.
Aw, I'm sure that wasn't about your mom.
No, it wasn't.
Who was it about?
I don't know,
You sing
lots of
pretty
pretty
cool, Ephraim.
ladies.
What'd you
Thank
think,
you.
Harley? Harley?
Yeah, I liked it a lot, actually.
Thank you very much.
So how long have you been playing guitar?
Since I was like in 6th grade, I think. I thought it would look cool.
Is that why?
Yeah.
So is that a Hope guitar? Or did you
Oh, this is my friend Ben's. His brother works in a guitar shop, and he asked his brother to put something on it, and his brother's kind of a hippie, so he put Hope on it.
It's such a nice guitar. I like it.
I know, it's not mine.
Ah.
I took it from him. I have yet to give it back.
So where are you from, Ephraim?
I'm from Brooklyn.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how long have you known Black Sheep Productions?
I don't know, like a year or something.
And have they been a wonderful experience for you?
Totally wonderful.
I know they speak
Absolutely
wonderfully of you. So
do they?
yeah, they do. They do.
Good.
Yeah. So are you a one-man band?
Yes.
So is there a reason for that? Like, do you not work well with others?
Convenience.
Have you been in bands with other people?
Yeah, I was in one with my friend Ben, but then he moved out of his the mansion that he was caretaking in, so we couldn't practice in his basement anymore. So.
And where was this mansion?
It was the president of Pratt's mansion. He took care of it for like 2 years.
Wow. So that must have been a fun experience.
It was fun, but unfortunately our band couldn't exist after he moved.
So do you find being a one-man band is a much easier way to handle being an artist?
Yes, because I'm a control freak and I don't get along with others.
So do you write all your own songs?
I do, yeah.
You do?
Yes.
Wow. And once again, what was the title of that song?
That song was called Everything.
And can you just say like one verse?
In the street, on empty subway cars, I can't believe how beautiful you are. Wait, hold on, there's one more.
So is that like James Blunt?
No, but it could be.
Did you know the girl? Did you know the girl? Did you ever see her again?
I'm telling you, literally.
It's very James Blunt to me,
ladies,
baby. Do you like James Blunt?
I don't, but I don't dislike him. It would be.
Who do you like?
It would be a lie for me to say that I do.
Now, what do you consider your music? Is it punk?
It's like a synthy dance computer punk party.
Okay, so does that mean it can be longer songs? Because usually punk songs are kind of short. Yours was kind of long. That was a long
that's
song.
probably like my longest song.
That was a long song. I'm thinking like, whenever punk goes long, it confuses me, you know?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, because I think punk started ADD.
That's interesting.
I always do.
I don't
know.
believe in ADD.
Well, neither does she.
No, I don't know. Depends on the day.
To me, ADD is just like being an awesome kid or something. I don't know.
Yeah,
well, everyone has it.
Like
I think punk kicked it in the butt to make it more like mainstream in the sense that we all have short attention spans. Because that was like no attention before the computer.
I think it's just about not wasting time, you know?
Yeah, getting to the point. So that was a long song. How long was that song?
It says 2 minutes 43 seconds. That's only because I have really good eyesight that I can.
That was not too.
Yeah, 2 minutes 43 seconds.
No way.
Didn't feel like it.
Did it feel longer or shorter?
Yeah, but I love it. I think you're adorable.
It felt shorter?
I think it felt longer.
Oh, that's not good.
But it was
That means
great.
it was boring.
No, it wasn't boring at all. I just couldn't hear you loud enough. That was my only thing.
My vocals are the worst part of every song I write. So.
Why do you say that?
Because I'm not a musician. My sister can actually sing. So when I do stuff like this,
is she as cute as you?
Oh, she's much cuter. She's petite and 17. And,
you're petite.
Oh, I know, but like, imagine me and like half, and like a girl, and like someone who can actually sing.
Well, that's a lot to ask for. I'd rather just sit next to you right now. So, Ephraim, how do people find you?
They don't.
If they want to like stalk your music.
You can go to my website is ephraim.bandcamp.com.
Now spell it because
EFRAIM.
Now is it a Fryam? Is that awesome?
No, it's like a Jewish Hispanic hybrid.
So you're what is it? So would that be like?
My Jewish half would be Ephraim, and then my Puerto Rican Colombian half is Ephraim.
Ah,
and then the American compromise is Ephraim.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to think like Chino Latino. Like what is a Jewish Spanish? Like are you Sephardic?
Well, what do we call me?
What do they call you?
I don't know. I don't know.
It doesn't matter.
Columbia,
New York,
yeah, right. I'm just
New
a Brooklyn,
Yorkese.
just a Brooklyn smash.
It's very New York, right?
Columba Jew.
Exactly.
Oh, Columba Rican Jew. That's what it was. Columba Rican Jew.
Oh, there you go. All right, that works. So, Ephraim, we like to ask everyone who comes a skeleton from their closet. So, and it is National Granola Bar Day.
Hey.
So you get a granola bar when you share your skeleton. So, do you have something your mother doesn't know
Something my mother
that you could share on the internet?
Oh man.
Not too incriminating.
I don't know. I tell her kind of everything. We have like a really good relationship. So I don't know.
Well, that's good. Well, it doesn't have to be something she doesn't know.
I can tell her. Well, I didn't.
What happened? What happened in the basement of the mansion?
In the basement of the mansion.
Yeah.
We would play. We would like fart a lot.
You would what a lot?
Fart. There would be a lot of farting going on.
Is that what did you?
Because it was a huge mansion, and like we would just be
So
like,
why
we
not?
just let them rip, because like.
Did it have a
No
good
one's
echo
around.
system?
It did. It was great.
Oh.
It was the
Did
best
you
thing
ever like tape record those farts?
No, we weren't that smart about it.
Never
That would
sharded?
have been great. Never sharded. That's like if that was a skeleton, I would have done it. I would have said it to the camera. Or the camera. I can't tell which is.
They're both.
Yeah.
But
I would have said it. That would have
so
been the good skeleton.
wait. So can you tell half of a skeleton?
Half a. Oh man,
A femur?
this is hard. Did you guys do one?
Say something.
They had kind of
Tell
lame
somebody who would
skeletons.
impress them. Be like, I'm so
All right,
badass. This is what I've done.
I'll be really badass. I guess. All right, I'll tell. I guess I smoked weed for the first time when I was 12. My mom doesn't know that. She knows I smoked weed, but she didn't know I smoked weed at 12.
Oh, have a
Gets
granola bar.
Thanks, I'll
Do you
take it.
eat?
Do I eat?
Yeah,
Like in life?
like food. Like you look pretty little to me. Eat a granola bar.
I do, yeah. There's
Yeah.
a lot of granola. I'm a vegetarian. There's a lot of protein right here.
Perfect,
Yay.
perfect. So, any last shout-outs? Black Sheep, you want to say something?
Let me think.
Black Sheep is the coolest.
Black sheep is the coolest.
Yeah, I agree.
Both those girls are amazing.
They are.
And
are you playing August 4th or 5th
I'm playing. No, what?
at their festival?
Oh, yeah. I'm also playing.
Who are you playing?
I'm playing in a week from today.
Where?
At the Suffolk.
Oh, I know people that DJ there. We just had DJs from there on the show like a week or two
Who
ago.
was it? Do you know who it was?
Yeah, Mick Royal.
I don't think I know.
Oh, he's great.
But-
and
yeah.
Muff.
And muff.
And
Muff. Oh, the Muff is
Oh,
the best.
Muff.
Yeah, the Suffolk is a cool spot.
It's awesome, yeah. I know some people who work there. So I'm playing there on Friday. Whoop, I got granola on.
Next Friday.
The 27th, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, like 9:30.
All
Come
right.
on out, it'll be sweet.
And so that's on the Lower East Side.
Yes.
Suffolk, like off of Houston, or
Yeah, it's on Rivington and Suffolk.
right.
And Big Ups is also playing. And
You're
outside
all
the
the
Awesome
cool
Awesome.
spots right now.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Thank you.
And do you have anything after that?
After that? No, not really.
So that's all you know right now.
I'm like a full-time, like I got work and school, I can't be playing shows as often as I like, so.
But you're doing fine.
Thank you.
I think so. I appreciate you
I
visiting
needed
us.
somebody to say that, thank you.
Aw, so come back again. Let's give it up for Afro.
Thank you.
Woohoo! And thanks a lot. All right, we'll be back with more Ruin Who. It's the Young People Day.